Hello, today I would like to show you how to disassemble and assemble the German 151. It's an engine with the old 3-pole motor, so it's the same for all the old engines, like the different colors. For example, the green one, the red one, or the 103, the older one, or the 150. They are all the same inside. So I will show you the how to do it on the example of the 151, and I will tell you a little different between the 3-pole and the 5-pole motor, and I will show you I will tell you something about the trucks, but for this later on. So first of all, we have to remove the shell. For this I do it with my fingers. Take it a little bit to both sides, and then you can pull on the truck and you have removed the shell. Next thing, I remove the brushes. That's just in this case, I don't want to break the brushes when I put out the electric board. Remove the screws. Those two screws, they hold the circuit board, and you need it for the power also, because from the track there comes the power and goes through this screw to the circuit, to the side of the motor. Then you can take out the lamps, and you can remove the circuit board. For this, it's also without the screws. It's held by the black isolation, and I go with the screwdriver between the black plastic thing and the circuit board, and then I take it out. Here are okay. Now this is the older one. That's the 3-pole engine, and you have the black isolation. It's one part. In the newer one, you have a 5-pole engine inside, and the black plastic thing are 2 parts. That's the only difference between the 3-pole and the 5-pole engines. But anyway, we have to remove the screws, and then we can remove the plastic. And here you see the something of the gear and the motor. So because to remove the trucks on both sides is exactly the same thing, so that's the reason why I do it just on one side. Pull out the this thing, and here you can see the truck with the gears and with the wheels. To open the truck, I need my screwdriver. There's the screw. Then you can open it, and you can pull it to one side, to the side where's the coupler. Remove the coupler with the spring, and then you can remove the wheels. First of all, you have to take out the both outside wheels. Take out the axis. And then you can see the middle one comes out, also the gears. So you have two big one and one smaller one. Now you can clean it. Yeah, you can remove things in bad conditions by spare parts, whatever you want to do with the engine. So after you have cleaned it, I don't want to do this because this is not part of this video. I want only to show how to disassemble and to assemble this engine. So after you have done the stuff what you wanted to do, you take this one, take the little gear, and the important thing is you have to do it in this sequence, because if you don't do it, it's blocked inside and it doesn't work. So you put it back on the place where it should be. Fix it with the big one. Then you have to use one of the bigger gears. And then you can see through this hole if it is in the right direction. I use the little thing to put it inside, and if it works, you know it's right. And then you have to put inside the middle wheels, and after this the big wheel. So then you put these things in the right direction, and you see I take the truck at the middle wheels, and it's held just by the big gears. Yeah, after this you can put the both outside wheels. These are the connectors who take the power from the wheel, also from the track through the wheel to the inside of the engine. And they have to be behind the wheels. So you can see it here, it's behind the wheel. Sometimes they are on the other side, so on the outside of the wheel. And yeah, it could be work, the electric work, but the mechanic doesn't work very well, and you get problems. So take care that the connectors behind the wheel. So now I want to turn it a little bit, because it's better if I do it with my right hand. You use the coupler, take the spring, and then you put it inside, but be careful because the spring can jump away very easy. You take the this black part of the truck, and you put it on the other part. That's not the right way. So to check it if it is in the right way, these two axes should be behind the black plastic on both sides. Now you can also remove the big axis, and you see the little gear doesn't fall out because it's held by the big gears. You put the screw back on the right place. Of course, not too strong. I do it always in the same way. If it is strong, not right, if it is the right description for this, I close it until it doesn't work anymore, and then I go back a little bit, like you want to open it, but of course you don't open it, so just a little bit. Then you put the truck back on the rest of the engine. Put the cleaned motor inside. The black plastic. So that's it. We come to the circuit board. So you have to take care that it's in the right direction, because here you put the brushes inside, and here there is the hole for the brushes. So I have to turn it a little bit, put it inside, and you see it's just held by the plastic. Then you can put the screws inside. This screw here, it's important because this takes the power from the track to this part of the circuit board. It's the second screw. Put back the lamps inside. And put back the brushes inside. Put it down, and then you can move the brush holder. The second one. So that's it. Now we put back the shell and we finish the operation. Let me say a few words to this engine. Here's the red one from the beginning. I didn't use the middle wheels because you don't need them. They don't take the power from the tracks, and they don't put the force on the tracks because they're a little bit up or more up than the other bows. So they are absolutely useless, and they just take the power from the engine and they reduce the power of the engine. So I removed them, and they run very good without them. If you put the loco to your layout, I'm very sure nobody will knows that they are missing two axes, the middle one. If you put it to to a cabinet, to put it on the wall or something like this, that you can see it and it's in the same height than your eyes, and you can look directly to the trucks, then maybe it came out that, or they will see that they are missing something. But when you put it on the cabinet, you can use the axes because they don't take power. But for the layout, I removed it. I removed them, and they work very well. But of course, it's up to you. You can decide it. Maybe your engine runs better with the wheels, or you have to try it. So the second thing what I want to show you, inside this metal, there's I'm not right if it is the right word, it's a diode. So because when the loco is in this way, there, this light is on. In the other way, this light is on. And the diode is, they put or they let the power flow just in one direction. So if the light doesn't work, could be also that the diode is broken inside. If you change the trucks, it's the same. The loco will run in this way and the light is flashing on this way. So you just have to turn the trucks, or have to turn the engine. There are just two options to place it inside. Yeah, if you have questions, feel free to send me an email. I try to answer it, and then we will see. I hope you liked the video. You got the information what you need to disassemble and assemble the 151, the 103 or the 150. They are the same. And I'm not sure, maybe a few other models of the Märklin locomotives with the 6 axes. Yeah. So now I put just the shell back, and the engine is ready. Of course, I have to clean it. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then we will maybe see again in my next video. If not, let me know what you doesn't like, and then we will see. Enjoy your Z-scale model railroad.